Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are tackling a common issue with the Vivo V30e headphone jack problems. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new videos and stay updated. Let's get started.